Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maria's tutorial channel. Today, Maria is going to show you how to create stunning digital art using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for new creative techniques, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. So grab your device, open up Canva, and let's get started.
All right, so now we're here in Canva homepage. So first we're going to create a customize, or we customize the size of the template that you want to create. Okay, so go here and then click customize, and any size of page that you want to, it's okay. So I'm gonna get this one. Then go to the elements and find some pictures that you want to. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna do the heart broken. All right, there's so many here. Then you can choose from. You can also choose some lovers, or well, it's up to you. So I just wanna create one of this. So let's see what we can get from this. All right, what if we get this one? All right, and then we're going to go to edit, and we're going to remove the background. So once we finish removing the background, let's go back again here, and then let's go to tone. Okay, you do tone this one. You're gonna click this one, and then we're going to create this custom. Okay, after you click this custom, we will see here the highlights and the shadows. So let's make this to a white, and the shadow also is white. All right, so they're both white. And then go to the shapes. Okay, get the square, and you can change the color, or whatever color that you want to change that. Just click it here. So choose any color that you want, then click the layer and send it to back, so that we can see the heart. Okay, so let's just stretch this one so we can see the hearts. All right, so now once we finish with this, we're going here to share to download this page. Okay, just click this one and download it. And then let's add another page here. We're going to change the color. Right now you will see it's white, so you can choose the color that you want for this. Okay, the red color. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to go here, and we're going to get the one that we downloaded. Just drag it there. There you go. And let's just make this a little bit bigger. Okay, let's scrap it. All right, so now next you're going to edit, and then we're going to remove the background again. Okay, so after that, we're going to elements again, and let's add let's say tree branch. Okay, let's go to graphics, and you can choose which one do you want here, guys. So all right, let's say this one. So I'm just gonna make this a little bit shorter, and you can flip this one. So I'm gonna put this one up here, and then I'm gonna duplicate and put some here, duplicate again, just put it there, guys, until you cover all of the heart. All right, so after you fill all of those hearts, then we're going to the position, and then scroll down here, and you see the heart. We're going to bring the heart on the top. All right, and then let's go back, let's go to edit, and then let's go to shadows and click the outline. All right, so here on the outline you can adjust the size of your lines here. Maybe all right, 3 is fine. The intensity, I think that's fine. All right, then after that we're going back to elements, and let's get the squares. All right, and then we're going to make the rest of the all of this to get it yellow. Okay, let's just add more square. All right, so now once we've finished covering all the areas with yellow, then we're going to share, and we're going to download this. But before you download, don't forget to check the transparent background. And I'm not gonna download all of this, just this page too. click done, and then download. And then we're going back to your browser, remove bg, removebg.com, erase background, open this one, and then we're going back to Canva, and then we're going to upload the one that we just removed the background. Okay, and then we're just gonna drag it one over here. All right, so let's make this a little bigger. Let's crop it so that we can resize it and make a little bit bigger, just like that. Okay, so now let's make this big a little bit. Go to edit and click this two-tone and click this custom. So after that, we're going to see these highlights and the shadows. So we're going to make this black also, and we're going to, the shadow also is black. So now you see it's all black, right? All right, so after this, we're going back to the elements, and then we're going back to find out this, these elements, the broken hearted or the tree branch. So maybe we can just put this one over here. Then you can duplicate it and duplicate again. Okay, let's put it down. All right, just like that. And then you can also make another one and duplicate. You can make your own design, guys. Make your own design. You can be more creative on this. Just want to cover. And on the other side, and just bring it here, just like that. All right, so after this one, let's click this one and then go to the position, and let's change the color of this background. Just click this one, and here is the color. Then you can choose the color that you want. So yeah, just like that. It's all up to you guys. You can play around with this, whatever color that you want. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this, and you're just gonna put this into middle. Okay, click this one, and you can always play. Okay, so I like this one. All right, and then you can add more here. You can put stars, you can put whatever you want. Just go to the elements and type the elements that you want. Let's say stars. Okay, let's put some stars there and put this at the back. I layered it and send it to back. We have stars. You can also put some let's say moon. You can put moon if you want to. Let's see. Maybe we can do this. I can just flip this one the other side, just like that. All right, so now you have it, guys. You can customize this, guys. There's so many graphics that you can choose from here. Then you can also put text if you want to. Just scroll down here, broken hearted, and then you can just do this, broken, and then you can just like that. All right, so now there you go, guys. This is the broken hearted digital art that I created. You can design for yourself, like what you see in this one. I just choose the heart, but you can choose people, you can choose any image that you want. You can play around with it and have fun creating your own digital art project. All right, so that's all for today's tutorial, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know, and thank you so much for watching. So if you're new to my channel, I hope you learned something, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video every week. And for my subscribers, thank you so much for all your support and staying with me forever. Forever. My videos are forever here in YouTube, so you can watch over and over again. And that's all, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.